In 2020, Fletcher et al.'s PubMed study underscored the critical significance of screw torque and orthopedic training. Shockingly, the research revealed that nearly 26% of all screws damage surrounding bone during insertion. Recognizing the need for comprehensive training that encompasses both ideal conditions and challenging scenarios, this month we'll use our AI software to look into MAUDE's extensive database of 16 million real-world incidents. First, let's filter using our AI dashboard. To capture a larger set of incident descriptions, broader terms may be used, but for this example, we will use the terms screw plus tight. Then simply click the middle button to advance. The next area divides categories by patient, manufacturer, and incident details. For our example, we'll select additional instances that also mention removal. And last, select any of the ID numbers to read details of each incident and see how we might tailor a unique training opportunity. Note that incident descriptions might not have complete information. However, the AI filter can help you narrow the search to find an example that matches the training event. Now that we have an idea what event to focus on, in the next video, our AI will help us find any performance metrics for benchmarks for dry lab training. Until next time, keep advancing.